Okay, so one aspect of Read India is to engage citizens and students in solving the problems. Now, as part of Read India, students can read any book, any story, any article, and summarize their views in one page. And the second page is we are asking them to pick any problem of their choice and propose solution. This is where we want to encourage that solution-centric mindset. It has to become a culture, and it has to start from the very young age. We need to engage students and citizens in solving the problems. The government will facilitate, but government cannot do everything. There's a perception that government is the savior, can do anything. They expect magic from the government. After all, government is also of the people, from the people, and they are also from the same set of people, right? They can only do so much. So this is where we want, students and citizens to start thinking solutions, whether it's trash on the streets, whether it's air pollution or water pollution, whatever it is, little things at home, at school, in the street, community, they have to start thinking solutions. And that is one of our submissions. And the second is the ability to tell stories. So we are asking students and citizens to read something and share that knowledge, so that students become propagators of knowledge, citizens become propagators of knowledge. We spend a lot of time on the social media, the gadgets. They are great tools, absolutely. But the thing, if we can push positive content, knowledge in those platforms, it is impossible or next to impossible to take away this generation from those wonderful gadgets. It's a huge, huge distraction, agreed, but we can create that positive platform environment where we push knowledge. 2 minutes, if someone reads a book and shares, these are the 3 things I've learned, and this is one problem I've tried to address. If those videos go on social media, YouTube, you can see, everyone will have access. Din mein 2 minutes, 10 minutes padhne ke liye to become successful. 2 minutes, just listen. You don't want to hold a book. Ideally, we would want them to hold a book, but still, though they're spending time, they will spend at least 1 or 2. If that becomes a culture in the next 5 to 10 years, it's a long road, but there's huge hope. And I would say that is the only way for transformation of India. And you are the greatest ambassadors, movers and shakers to make it happen. The teachers. I bet on you and the leaders of education and the influencers of literature, art.